We are at the Stringfellow Road Park and Ride, which includes approximately 300 park and ride spaces for commuters. What's happening is the park and ride is being expanded by the Fairfax County Department of Transportation and Fairfax County Department of Public Works and Environmental Services in partnership with the Virginia Department of Transportation. Highlights of the expansion project include approximately 300 additional parking spaces, improved bus service to and from the Vienna Metro Station, 3 additional bus bays, improved pedestrian and bike facilities, and a connector store facility. One of the biggest changes park and ride users will notice is that the existing park and ride entrance will be designated for bus use only. This is the entrance closest to Interstate 66 because the new vehicle entrance is open at the intersection of Fair Lakes Boulevard and Stringfellow Road. One interesting feature of this park and ride project is the use of permeable surface in the new lot. What this means is rainwater will be able to seep into the ground naturally instead of flowing into the drainage system. Park and ride users will be able to see these spaces as they're designated with special signage and include a lightly colored paint. For more information, park and ride users can learn about Fairfax Connector bus service and get links to the project website at fairfaxconnector.com.